Today, I want to share with you a NAS model which have a minimalistic design with a powerful data snapshot and the AI acceleration feature. Hi, I'm Jerry, product manager at QNAP. I think maybe you are like me, having a lot of patience in life. For example, I enjoy traveling and good food besides my work. Sure, I definitely take many photos that eventually overload my phone or camera memory capacity. You might also find copying and backing up files that take too much of your time. Don't worry, TS-233 NAS can make your life easier. Next session, I will introduce it deeply and tell you why I recommend this NAS to you. This live streaming starts from the common issue of a home and small office storage solution, and I will show you how the latest QNAP NAS TS-233 can help you solve those problems. The OS of TS-233 NAS is a new generation of QTS 5.0 operating system developed by QNAP, and this model supports NPU AI acceleration. Then, I'll talk about the NAS installation so that you can start using NAS without any pain. After installation, I'll explain HBS3 data protection, snapshot synchronization, and then introduce DA drive analyzer disk failure prediction. After talking about the security of the hardware part, we will share some data security software. Finally, we will talk about the application of NAS. What is it useful? For example, the popular Qmoji AI-powered image classification, QSearch, and QVR Elite Smart Surveillance System. Last but not least, I'll show you some useful mobile app to make your backup process painless and the NAS use case scenarios. Do you have trouble finding specific files or photos among all your storage devices? To save all of your photos, videos, or files, you bought a lot of pen drive or hard drive enclosures for backup. But after a while, you are not sure where the file is. You know that the pen drive are very tiny and easy to lose. The enclosure can also be broken quite easily. If those situations happen, your precious data will be gone. If you have a good memory, you know where to find the file you want in one of your external hard drives. And if you are lucky, the external drive is not damaged. You will enter the next cycle of trouble when you connect your external drive to the computer. No worries, we have your back. I'll be introduce a solution, Hybrid Backup Sync, or HBS3 in short, for you which can make your life a lot easier. Besides the solution HBS3, I'll also talk about the great value home surveillance solution and budget-friendly choice of home automation set in the following parts. Let's get started. How does QNAP's NAS solve your problem? I'll summarize some key points, which we will be introduced in more detail later. First, it can centrally manage massive storage data and support a single SATA slot of 18 terabytes. Second, it also supports HBS3 to be a comprehensive backup solution. Third, it has intelligent automated software such as QSync, QMax, etc. The last key point is that it has QNAP's unique AI application QUMAGI and QSearch to make photo management and file searching a lot more easier and faster. Besides the previously mentioned solution for home users, the TS-233 high-value model is equipped with a new QTS 5.0 NAS operating system. This time, it has been upgraded to Linux kernel 5, which can strengthen the security and protect your data assets. There is also built-in WireGuard VPN. Therefore, our latest QTS takes the user's experience to the next level. To help you understand the file transfer speed of QNAP NAS, I have some data for you here. In this performance test, we transferred a large file of 10 GB between PC and NAS. The transferring speed is about 113 megabytes by the gigabit Ethernet. That is around 88 seconds. Moreover, the encrypted transmission speed also remains at a high speed, which is almost the same as the standard file transfer. NPU, Neural Network Processing Unit, is the application of biomimicry, a kind of AI edge computing with power-saving, high performance, and easy to deploy. TS-233 is only once equipped with NPU AI accelerated processor NAS with NPU QNAP AI core image recognition engine supporting QMAGI Smart Open. It is worth mentioning that the face recognition speed is 6 times faster than the same class model. TS-233 uses ARM Cortex A55 4-core, high-performance 2.0 GHz processor, built-in 2 GB memory, and supports 2 setup ports for this model, and support one USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 2 USB 2.0 ports. TS-233, the size is like a small crisper box. Let's look at the front view. From the top, the indicators include status, network, USB, hard disk, 1, 2. The bottom part includes the power button, USB copy button, and the last one is one port USB 3.2 Gen 1. The rear view, smart cooling fan on the back, reset button, 1-port Gigabit Ethernet, 2-port USB 2.0, and the last is the DC 12-volt input. The previously mentioned specifications are integrated into this sheet for your reference. So let's move on the next page. When we want to use a 3.5-inch hard disk for TS-233 installation, QNAP designed a quick release structure and only remove the cover to take out the hard disk tray. Then we remove the fastering panel on both sides and inserted the 3.5 hard disk finally. We put the fastering panel back to complete the installation, and we used traditional lock screws for the 2.5-inch hard disk. After completing the previously installation, user need to perform a few simple steps after the user gets the NAS. You should continue the system installation. They have two choices. The first choice is through scanning the QR code with your mobile phone for installation. The second choice is downloading the QFinder Pro program on your computer. Just follow the quick installation guide to finish the steps. After installation, you can enjoy the data storage and backup multimedia service. We can install and use the My QNAP Cloud link application on the NAS to connect My QNAP Cloud to create a private account and create a DDNS service. Don't worry if you don't have a static IP address at home or forgot the IP address. Just log in to My QNAP Cloud. It can be connected to the NAS at home or in the company. It's faster and easy. Our NAS is also SSL certified, making the connection safe and secure. QVPN provides a secure virtual private network on the NAS. The new version of QTS 5.0 integrates faster WireGuard and provides faster point-to-point VPN connections. Besides, it can use as a VPN server or client. Moreover, install WireGuard on compatible mobile devices to take your high-speed VPN anywhere. When it comes to network storage encrypment, there is no doubt security is first. This part is more hardcore, but it's super important. In addition to the backup mechanism provided by QNAP NAS, we will also share the concept of data security. First of all, everyone is probably the same as I think. Data needs backup, right? Then, what is the correct backup strategy? Follow me read backup 3, 2, 1. This has been a backup strategy recommended by US government for a long time. Here is a brief introduction. There are only three key points for backing up 3 to 1. There are three files icons on the screen. We are naming them as copies. First, you need to prepare 3 copies for important files. Second, put them in 2 different media like NAS and Google Drive. Third, keep one remote backup such as setting the NAS at home and the company or Taiwan and the United States. The above 3 key points, we recommend you use 2 NAS to achieve government-level data backup strategy. Let's see the 3 main functions in HBS3. First, HBS3 supports a variety of public clouds such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Huawei Cloud, etc. The second one is about remote backup, which is performed through RTRR for backup or synchronization. The third one is the recovery feature. It can protect your data from any data damage. Very quickly restore your data. Taking a snapshot is like taking a photo. Within seconds, the complete status of your NAS system and the data is recorded. If an unexpected situation arises on your system, you can revert to the state recorded by a snapshot. With greater space efficiency and flexibility compared to traditional backup methods, snapshots are the best way to protect your files and data. The most valuable data on the disk based on the NAS. In addition to the focusing on backup, the health of the disk after long-term use will decrease over time. At this time, there is a good helper. You can use the AI Disk Health Analysis tool by Ulink Cloud. The DA drive analyzer for disk health analysis can predict the failure of the disk, which can predict the disk that is about to fail as soon as possible, so that we can prepare the solution early to ensure that data won't be lost. Each NAS can perform one disk prediction for free. And you can also pay to subscribe to enhance protection for all disks. Data security is an important issue. QNAP's malware remover can automatically scan the NAS to prevent malicious malware. If they are infected files, they can remove immediately. QU firewall can protect the NAS from external attacks. You can set your own permission setting and you will instantly receive firewall notifications of real-time monitoring of security status. QU firewall is like a door lock, and malware remover is like a security guard of the building. Those apps keep your NAS as safe as houses. Almost everyone has a mobile phone. There will be a lot of photos taken anytime and anywhere. It is very difficult to organize the photos after shooting. You can use emojis to help you. It recognizes and classifies faces, objects, and even locations through the integrated QNAP AI core engine. TS-233 has a built-in NPU AI accelerator which powers up QEmojis strengths. Okay, now we do a simple demo of QEmoji. We log in NAS. You need to type in your ID and the password. New NAS need to install the QEmoji first from App Center. We pre-install this app already. So open the QEmoji. We can see all your photos in the NAS. On the left side toolbar, we can click the Open. QEmoji help us classification. We can see various categories here, like people, things, place. Example, we choose the people. QEmoji help us automatically classify those photos. Very convenient. Okay, now we go back to the presentation. No matter where we are, we can easily access all files in QNAP NAS through the QFile app. It can share files with others across devices and platforms. QFile supports automatic background upload, and the photos in mobile devices will back up to NAS immediately. Backup after taking pictures, reducing the risk of files loss and freeing up mobile devices' memory capacity. It might not easy for you to find your data in the NAS, where stores massive files. QSearch can do it for you through AI. The TS-233 supports the QSearch raw text search tool, which can quickly find the photos and videos you need. It supports all kinds of files so easy. When you have massive files that need to be sorted and classified, the traditional way is to manually create multiple classified folders and manually review and organize the files, which is very time-consuming and easy to mistake. Let QFiling help you. You need to set the classification rules. QFiling can automatically achieve and batch edit files. Just set it up once, and then QFiling will take over your daily tedious task for you. Very efficient. That means you have more available time. TS-233 supports connecting two cams for use on QVR Elite for free. Besides using standard MP4 for video recording, it also has the advantage of easily expanded capacity and flexible subscription plan for recording channels. QVR Elite is compatible with more than 180 brands and more than 6,700 models of IP-cam on the market. In addition, it supports the Envive Profile as Open Network Video interface. Therefore, QVR Elite is compatible with various cameras, allow you to set up a surveillance system easily. QVR Elite has an integrated dashboard. Even if there is only one monitor, you can see the whole situation. One-click switching, monitoring, and playback. Drag the timeline easily to see your record video and save your time and effort. QVR Pro client is a powerful mobile monitoring application that guards people, things, and things anytime, anywhere. In addition, QNAP also provides a brand new QVR viewer, which you can install on Apple TV for monitoring and playback functions. It only takes a few minutes to set up to enjoy the high-quality streaming service of the Plex multimedia server on the QNAP NAS, which can be streamed via mobile phones or tablets, Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, Fire TV, etc. Client Media Sign can easily play and transcode multimedia files in the NAS, enhancing the multimedia playback capabilities of QNAP NAS. Supporting mainstream multimedia formats and the standard HEIF, HEVC, H.265 format, pictures and videos. QMix can set up a variety of synchronization tasks to back up files, even to the cloud, so that cross-software message forwarding is also possible, making repetitive tasks easier. QSync can easily synchronization file to various devices such as mobile phone, computers, cloud, and other NAS. Each device can synchronize the latest file, allowing the work with your team or more smoothly. In addition to the above-mentioned diversified functions, there are more applications waiting for you to explore. Just link the QTS system or search on the QNAP official website to find a wealth of applications. TS-233 is most economical choice. It supports two SATA 3.5-inch disk slots. Besides home use, it can also be used as data storage for small companies and support RAID 1. At the end of briefing, I will shout out the application scenarios of TS-233 NAS for everyone. From the top left, first, store photos and manage them through AI classification. Second, film creator can store videos. Third, home or small office can set up monitoring systems. Last one, NAS provides multimedia streaming capabilities. Okay, thank you for watching the TS-233 NAS live streaming. I'm Jerry. See you next time. Bye.